It is September 3rd, 2023, and check out my screen here. I've got examples of this thing going around, this IRS refund scam that people are receiving. This guy here says, these scam emails don't even make sense anymore. Why would the Office of Disaster Assistance through the IRS, with calculations based on fiscal activity, issue refund to someone who's not even a U.S. citizen? And it says that the email looks like an IRS logo, tax refund status available after the last annual, and notice they misspelled annual, calculations of your fiscal activity, which is a very weird way to put these words together. We've determined that you are eligible to receive a tax refund. Eligible is also misspelled, of $561. We will process this amount once you've submitted the information we need, blah, blah, blah. If we are unable to complete within 3 days, all pending will be canceled. There's so many errors here in grammar and spelling. Questions, we're here to help. And they have a phone number that might actually be the phone number for the IRS. Normally scammers put a different phone number, but that appears to be what's going on here. And then I have other examples. This person here says, I received an email to claim an IRS refund now before it's too late. The IRS does not solicit refunds. And they said something unrelated and not true about politics down below. So just ignore that. This person here says, new scam involves mail arriving in a cardboard envelope from a delivery service. The attached letter includes the header IRS and the wording that the notice is regarding your unclaimed refund. Don't fall for it. And it claims here, looks like it's in Spanish. So let's click on this, translate post. Okay, it's the same thing. Don't fall for it. And so that's what it says. So there's an email scam going around for IRS refund scam. There's also this cardboard envelope thing going around from a delivery service that says that there's going to be a refund you need to claim. And, you know, the way that this normally, actually, let me click the link here and see if this can take us. Okay, it does take us to the IRS website. The most exciting website in the world, as we all know. IRS Security Summit partners warn taxpayers about new scam. Unusual mail from delivery service tries to trick people into sending photos, bank account information. Okay, that's not good. This is from July 3rd, so this is 2 months ago. The IRS today warned taxpayers to be on the lookout for a new fraudulent email that attempts to trick people into thinking they are due a refund. The new scheme involves mail arriving in a cardboard envelope from a delivery service. The attached letter includes the IRS header about our unclaimed refund. They want contact information, or they include contact information in a non-IRS phone number. So with the email, maybe they do have an IRS phone number. With the cardboard envelope coming in your physical mailbox, maybe there's a non-IRS phone number is what it says here. They're looking to get detailed images of your driver's license, and they can then look up for tax information, tax purposes. This is one of the last long series of attempts by identity thieves posing as the IRS in hopes of tricking people into providing valuable personal information to steal identities and money, including tax refunds. IRS Commissioner Danny Werfel said that these scams can come by email, text message, and even in special mail. People should be careful and watch for red flags that clearly mark them as IRS scams. Security Summit said, blah, blah, blah. There are many warning signs to this new scam that can be seen in many similar email or text messages schemes. An unusual feature of this scam is that it attempts to trick people into sending a highly detailed personal information via email or phone in the hope of stealing valuable information. And it says this, a clear phone, I guess they mean photo, of your driver's license that clearly displays all four angles taken in a place with good lighting. A clear phone number of your driver's license clearly showing all four, again, I guess they mean photo, four angles taken in a location with good lighting. The letter continues with more sensitive information, including cell phone number, bank routing information, social security number, geez, and bank account type. I mean, you don't want to be giving all this information away. You know, even if you think it's the IRS, call the IRS through an official phone number you can find by going to irs.gov and ask them about it. But obviously, I'm telling you about it right here. They want to... it says you'll need to get this to get your refunds after filing. These must be given to a filing agent who will help you submit your unclaimed property claim. Once you send all the information, please try to be checking your email for a response from the agents. Thanks. You'll need to get this to get your refunds after filing. These should be given to a filing agent who will help you file your unclaimed property claim. Once you submit all the information, try checking your email for get a response from agents. Thank you. Not good English. So maybe the phone thing that should have been photo was a scammer making a mistake, not the IRS, because it was a quote. This letter contains a variety of red flags, including odd punctuation and a mix of fonts and inaccuracies. Yeah. Okay. For example, the letter says the deadline to file tax refunds is October 17th, but the deadline for people on extensions, blah, blah, and those with refunds due from that. Okay. And the IRS handles tax refunds, not unclaimed property. Interesting. And this is other stuff about scams. People should never respond to tax-related phishing or smishing. Smishing is SMS, text messages. Or click on the URL link. Report scams to phishing@irs.gov. phishing, by the way. Not fish as in like, in the water fish. For those of you not familiar with phishing. So okay, I've got one more link here. That's what that appears to be. And then Kay here shared this information. If you receive a notice for a tax refund in an official looking form that has the IRS logo, etc., they are trying to get your personal info, name, social security number, address, and it looks like it came from the government, but it didn't. They do not correspond with us by emails on social medias like Facebook. Delete it, or this scammer will have all the info on you that the government has, and that's not a good thing. And that's true. Giving away so much of your personal information to scammers is obviously not going to end up boding well for you. You don't want to give scammers even so much as a phone number is harmless. You're just going to get more calls and it's going to be annoying. But obviously you don't want to give out the credit card number, bank account information, routing account number, that sort of thing. All very sensitive data, social security number, date of birth, If you did give away any information, by the way, with any of this, and you're not sure what to do, contact the IRS and ask them what they recommend. I'll put a link to this article down below if you want to read through this article. Talk to a third-party identity theft protection company. See if they have any recommendations on what you should be doing going forward to make sure that you're going to be okay. And, with scams like these, I'm trying to think of anything else that I can cover. With scams like these, by the way, hit the like button down below. The thumbs up button. That will tell Google and YouTube my video has value and credibility. And then other people might be able to find my video higher in Google search results and not get scammed all because you hit the like button. That's pretty cool how that works, isn't it? Also, off to the right of the like button is a heart-shaped symbol. If you want to tap that, it's a thanks button. The heart-shaped symbol with the dollar signs, a thanks button. If you want to tap that, that'd be great. I rarely get any of those ever. I'm spending time, to help strangers out, when I have loved ones in another part of the house here that I could be spending time with, but I want to do what I can to help people like you out too. And so I hope that you can value that. And if you want to hit the like button, the thanks button, that'd be great. So what I'm seeing here is an ongoing scam. If they announced this 2 months ago in July, and it's continuing now because I saw that it was going around again on Labor Day weekend 2023, that's September 2023. And let's hope that it comes to an end at a certain point and that the people who are behind it get caught, because these scams can be brutal to go through, I assume. I've never gone through them, but I'm assuming that identity theft or having money taken from you is a really, really not only terrifying situation, but you might need to talk to a therapist after that sort of thing, because it just destroys you. I imagine. So, if you did get scammed, leave comments down below. Tell me what happened. Don't leave any personal information or sensitive data below, but have discussions with each other about this. Did you see a new kind of IRS refund scam going around that I did not cover? It wasn't an email. It wasn't a cardboard envelope. It was something new that wasn't covered by the IRS in their article. Let me know down below. Include any information that you can. Have discussions with each other. Ask questions. And thank you so much for watching.